Unlock the secrets of cruise ship etiquette, a must-watch guide for every traveler. Welcome back, folks. Are you ready to set sail on your dream cruise? Well, before you embark on your exciting adventure, there's something you need to know. There are unwritten rules, the secret code of cruise ship etiquette, that will ensure you have the time of your life. I've got a list of them right here, and trust me, you don't want to miss a single one. Ahoy there! It's your cruise connoisseur, Parth, from Wanderlust Experiences. If you're a first-time cruiser, you might be wondering about the proper etiquette on board. It's all about the do's and don'ts, my friends. But fret not. Cruising is not as formal or traditional as it used to be. So, put those Titanic vibes aside and let's dive into the exciting world of cruise ship etiquette. First and foremost, let's talk about the golden rule of cruising. Be polite to the amazing crew members. These hard-working individuals go above and beyond to ensure you have the vacation of a lifetime. So, when you cross paths with your stateroom attendant in the hallway, take a moment to chat and brighten their day. And if you encounter an issue that needs assistance from guest services, remember to stay calm and level-headed. Trust me, they're there to help you. The glorious buffet. Now, here's a crucial tip. Get a fresh plate every time you return to the buffet. You see, reusing your plate might seem like a helpful gesture, but it's actually frowned upon. It's all about hygiene, folks. Leaving your dirty dishes at the table allows the diligent staff to clean up between servings. So, grab a new plate for every delicious round. Now, let's address a sensitive subject. Please, I beg you, don't be a chair hog. Picture this, a sunny day on the pool deck, everyone wanting to enjoy a refreshing dip. But some folks claim their chairs early in the morning, only to show up hours later. It's not fair to fellow cruisers who genuinely want to relax by the pool. So, let's be considerate and give everyone a chance to enjoy the deck. Deal? Patience, my friends, is a virtue. With thousands of fellow passengers on board, you might find yourself in a few lines more than expected. Whether it's for breakfast or exciting activities like the water slides or flow rider, remember to keep your cool. No pushing or shoving. We're all here to savor our vacation moments, so let's wait our turn with a smile. Elevator etiquette, folks. When those doors open, pause for a moment. Let others get off before you hop on. It's a simple gesture that keeps everything running smoothly. And if you're feeling energetic, why not take the stairs? It's a great way to stay active while allowing those who genuinely need the elevator to use it more comfortably. The tranquility of the cabin hallways. We all appreciate a peaceful retreat, right? So, let's be mindful of our noise levels, especially during late night or early morning hours. A loud gathering in the hallway might disrupt a neighbor's well-deserved rest. And remember, the walls might be thinner than you think. Let's keep the hallways a haven of relaxation for all. Last but not least, let's talk about showtime etiquette. When attending the fantastic on-board performances, silence your phones and avoid talking during the show. Not only does it respect the performer's hard work, but it also allows everyone to fully immerse themselves in the magical experience. So, sit back, relax, and let the entertainment whisk you away. And there you have it, fellow cruisers. These are just a few of the unspoken rules of cruise ship etiquette that will ensure smooth sailing on your vacation. Remember, it's all about respect, consideration, and making unforgettable memories. So, follow these guidelines, be kind to your fellow passengers and crew, and get ready to have the time of your life on your next cruise adventure. This is Parth from Wanderlust Experiences, signing off. Bon voyage and happy cruising.